to another episode. In this video, we're going to be learning how to make this cutie patootie little Santa that only takes 3 balloons, and you can actually do this in a line work situation. You guys ready to learn a 3 balloon Santa? Let's get started. We're going to need a blush or skin tone colored 260 and big long tail. We're not using too much of this. So we're going to start off by doing a nice plump round bubble and turning that into a pinch twist. And then you're going to come across about 3 to 4 inches for the face and do a nice pinch twist on the other side. Okay, so that's going to be the face. Hold on to that for a second and grab a red 260. And this one I've left about a 2 to 3 inch tail. And on this guy, we're going to start off by folding it over just to kind of get an idea of the hat and how much we need to leave for the hat. So I'm going to have my hat bent over like this. I'm going to come down to about where I want the middle of the face to hit and make a twist, okay? And then we're going to take our face and we're going to place it on that, in front of that twist. Just hold it there, and we're going to wrap the rest of the balloon around it, so we're sandwiching the red in the middle. And just twist it into the ear on the other side and align your hat so it's all in the middle, and there you go. Now we're going to make sure that this is twisted off really good, and I'm going to break my balloon. Really let this go so it doesn't unwind itself there for a second. And I'm going to save this because we just need a little tiny bit for the nose, and so I'm just going to work, whoop, there we go. I just lost it. But if you do it right, then you just have a little bit for the nose. And actually what would be easier even still just be to let the air out of here so you don't have to get all the way down to the end, unless you're good at doing that. Apparently I'm not. And then just tie your 2 tails together in a double knot, and that'll work for a nice little nose too. And so I'm going to cut off one of these tails because I only need one of them. Okay, so just going to hang on to this. It's going to be his nose, and now I'm going to make sure to secure this really well here because we just left that broken off end just wrapped around a pinch twist, which is not super secure. So now that is going to be better. Nice and secure there. Okay, so moving right along with the red, we're going to come down and we're going to twist just a small bubble. And this is just to leave space because we're going to put a beard in between his head and his body. So you want to leave a little bit of space. We've got this bubble here. And now the rest of this is just the same body as the gingerbread man. So about a 3 to 4 inch bubble. And bring your balloon back and twist them together. Okay. And now we're going to do the arms and legs. They're going to be the 2 to 3 inch bubbles, all 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to remove our hair. Bring all those bubbles together to make like a diamond and twist them together. And now we're going to bring them down over the body. And there we go. Voila! We are just about done with this Santa. Okay, so we're going to get rid of the rest of this red balloon. That, and I'm just going to tuck it down into the body to secure it. I'm not even tying it off. Save your fingers, right? Okay, so there we go. And now we just need to add the white balloon, and it's just another 260 white. I've got about a 4 to 5 inch tail here. And on this one, we're just going to make sure to start off with a really big pinch twist. This is like a 2 inch bubble we're going to make here. Grab that knot and bring it into that twist and really twist it around so it's like this nice, big, round, fat marshmallow bubble. Okay? Okay, and hopefully that'll stay there for you for a second. We're going to place that round, the bubble that we just made here, off to the side in the direction that the hat is pointing because it's going to twist into there. Squeeze the rest of your balloon out for this part. Oop, I just lost my bubble. I just had a feeling that was gonna happen. All right, so better thing to do, once you've got your bubble, you can actually just twist the red balloon around there to help secure it. Okay, we're gonna fold it over, wrap the white balloon around all that, and bring it back into the big giant marshmallow pinch twist. There we go. That's actually better. Okay, so now he's got his hat on and he's just looking a little baby faced. So we got to add the beard, and we're not going to even have to cut off our white because we're right here so close to the ear. I'm just going to make just a small spacer bubble to get us down to that ear and twist it into the ear. Okay, so we've got that. And now we're going to come down underneath the head and up over to the other ear. And you don't want to make this too tight because you want it to have a little bit of a nice round curved shape underneath the head. Okay, so now he's got his beard on, and he's just kind of pushes his head back when we do that. And so we're just going to take the white across the back underneath the head as well and bring it back into the pinch twist. So that is the back, and this is going to be the front. Okay, and now we're done with this white, and just wrap it around all this stuff here to secure it. And we'll just straighten everything up, hide some nozzles, and look at how cute this Santa is. Okay, now don't forget the nose, which we set aside, and we're just going to tuck that right in between the blush and the white part of his face. I'm going to pull my tail through, and I'm just going to a few times and then secure it down into the middle of the body. Okay, super easy and quick. All right, that is the basic Santa. Now, you can do whatever artwork is fastest for you. I'm gonna show you what I think looks cute, and then let you decide what to do from there. So this is gonna be just like the gingerbread man face, really. So we're gonna do big pink or red circles off on the side of his cheeks, on either side of his nose, like that. Okay, and that is going to be it for the red or pink. We're going to do some black circles for the eyes, and those are going to be just like the gingerbread man. They're going to overlap the cheeks, just like that. And same thing on the other side. There we go. Okay, now don't forget, give him some eyebrows. And I'm actually going to draw a little, you can draw a happy face just like that underneath the nose. You can make him really happy. And you can add some little cheek lines like that. Okay, and then I do like to fill in the mouth, so I should have done that with the red marker. So here we go with the red. I'm gonna fill in his mouth. Ta-da! All right, we're not done yet, but isn't it looking cute? Now the other thing I like to draw with the black is a belt, which is just 2 lines right across the tummy, and then you just fill those in. Now if you don't like doing this much artwork, it's also good to just take an uninflated 260 and tie it around his stomach, and then you'll have a balloon belt, so that's even cooler. All right, and then I'm going to do 2 circles for buttons on his shirt. Okay, so there is the black. And now we're gonna add our finishing touches with our white paint pen. And all we're doing on this is just the white highlights in the eyes, which are small circles, and then a dot off to the little side, and then same thing on the other one here. Circle and a dot. Okay, so there's a close-up of the Santa face. Now you see his whole body. Isn't that adorable, you guys? Ah! I love these things. I'm so happy with how they're turning out. And you can really bling this guy up. Make him a table centerpiece by just putting him on a little 6-petal flower using the polka dot balloons on that guy. But isn't this so adorable? Oh my goodness. I love them. All right, so that is the Santa. Let me know what you guys think of this. I hope you get some good use out of this design and that it's quick enough for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.